Occasional constipation is fairly common and can be caused by a change in diet, medication, and stress. Missing just one bowel movement can make you feel extremely uncomfortable and tired. This is why it's great to supplement with foods that will get the ball rolling, so to say. If you have been having less than 3 bowel movements per week for some weeks now and nothing seems to work, these natural laxatives might just be the solution you have been looking for. Here are 3 natural laxatives you can try to get rid of unwanted waste. Number 1. Castor Oil. Castor oil is a well-known, potent laxative and will work even if you are seriously constipated. In fact, it works so well that you should only take it on days when you can stay home and take care of your business. Castor oil works by binding to the receptors on the muscles of your intestinal wall, causing those muscles to contract and push out stool. To relieve constipation, adults should take 10 to 15 milliliters of castor oil on an empty stomach. To improve the taste, make sure the castor oil is cool and mix it with a glass of fruit juice. Castor oil works fairly fast, so you should get a bowel movement somewhere between 2 and 6 hours after taking it. Number 2. Prune Juice. Prunes have a high sorbitol content, a sugar alcohol that occurs naturally in a variety of fruits. Sorbitol has a laxative effect on the body by drawing water into the large intestine, stimulating bowel movements. Adults should drink 4 to 8 ounces of prune juice each morning in order to treat constipation, and adjust the amount as needed. Number 3. Baking soda. Baking soda is great for treating constipation and can even give relief from mild stomach aches by neutralizing the acids in the stomach. Consuming too much baking soda has some side effects like vomiting, diarrhea, and muscle spasms, so be sure to consult with your doctor before using it as a natural laxative. To relieve constipation using baking soda, mix 1 teaspoon in 4 ounces of warm water and drink. Remember that no laxative should be taken long-term, as it can reduce the muscle tone in your intestines, making constipation even worse. The only long-term result for constipation is adopting a healthy lifestyle, eating lots of fiber from fruits and vegetables, and exercising regularly. Thank you for watching. If you have other natural laxatives or recipes you would like to share, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on healthy living every week.